This is a multi-turn potentiometer. The value of this potentiometer is 10 kilo ohm. Multi-turn means, okay, I will show that in action. Before that, I will show you another potentiometer. This is also a 10 kilo ohm potentiometer. This one is not multi-turn. We can adjust at the most 180 degree. In the case of other one, we can turn multiple times. That is 360 degree we can turn, but the number of 360 is also higher. I will measure the value of this potentiometer using a multimeter. The maximum resistance we will get from this potentiometer is 10.14 kilo ohm. Now I will connect one probe of the multimeter to the center pin of this potentiometer, and the other probe I will connect to any other end terminal of the potentiometer. Now I will break these two potentiometer and will show you what is inside these two components. First I will dismantle this one. This is very simple to open. number of teeth in the spur gear determines the number of preset points we will get from this potentiometer. The implementation of this multi-turn potentiometer is so simple, but the technique they used for implementing this is a wonderful one. Hope you love this video. If so, please click like button and also share this to your friends. Please subscribe to my channel for getting more videos like this. That will be an encouragement to me for making more things like this to you. This is Tech Insert signing off. See you in another video. Till then, goodbye and please take care.